I'm Stefano Amorelli, I'm from Italy and I live in Tallinn, Estonia. My business name is called Dominance, and what we do is technical consulting mainly for startups. We build mobile applications, we hire engineers, we lead them, and everything related to technology. E-Residency allowed me to create my business remotely and manage it with ease, security, and innovation in mind. So initially I was e-resident, and it gave me the opportunity to create my business and run it, and then I moved to Estonia. I really like Estonia from that perspective. The ecosystem here is huge, and of course it's the #1 country for startup unicorns per capita, and that was a huge factor for me actually to move in Estonia. So I really like the atmosphere and the vibe that is in this city. Yeah. It really supported me in any way, starting from the day-to-day business up to building network relationships and meeting former colleagues and former e-residents. And this is really a powerful way to actually grow your business and your person in general. I think e-residency is a very cool concept, and in a world where information goes very fast at the speed of light, running business usually has to catch up with that speed, and e-residency pushes this limit forward. So it really allows you to create your business and run it quickly, securely, and as much innovative as possible.